I have been working as a blockchain developer for the last 5 years, and I have seen all the trend in the crypto market when the price was up and down, all the different trend we have seen in the bull market. But right now, whatever is happening, it's totally out of the box. I have never thought about it that Bitcoin is going to be at a position where it is right now. I have seen and I have bought when the price was around 1 lakh, but look at the amount which is right now. It's its all-time high, and the crypto market is going crazy since Donald Trump won the elections and he supported the crypto market openly. He talked about that how he's going to regulate this entire cryptocurrency in the financial system, and many countries have taken the initiative to take this particular technology seriously, and the kind of money it's hold is absolutely incredible. So the reason why I'm making this video to let you know, guys, that we have to keep yourself aware, constantly look for the project which is coming into the industry, because different project has different requirement, different technology, and different tools and software you can able to build on top of them. Sometimes you're going to play as a consultant. When you're going to work with the company, they're going to take your suggestion, they're going to ask your point of view, that what do you think about this particular blockchain in which they want to develop the technology or the protocol, about the DApp, all of things. So it's very important for you as a developer to keep yourself updated that what exactly going on the chain, which exchange is getting popular. You have to talk about it, because right now we have multiple exchange, Uniswap, Binance, different exchange we have. Which one is more popular? So you have to think about it. Sometimes you're going to play as a consultant, sometimes you're going to work as an architecture designer for different technology. So you have to keep yourself updated. I couldn't stop myself from making a video because this is absolutely insane. You can see the Bitcoin is all-time high. I saw yesterday it was around 7, which was the top peak. Now it went down to like 7, but yeah, a half an hour ago it was around 20. So that's very normal in the crypto space. So look at the price, like it's going absolutely crazy. So you have to do the research, try to do the research, because you're going to simply include. So if you're building a payment gateway, just like a crypto mask, in which you want to allow user to take the payment in cryptocurrency, so you have to know, and you have to understand that which exchange provide you the actual data, or you want to build your own infrastructure, the entire system from scratch for getting the price of each one of this token, and how you're going to manage it. So this is really powerful. If you want to do the research, you can simply click on this. Binance is a really trustful site, and you can able to do the research properly here. You're going to find and track down all the transaction right up here, which is happening. You can see the price is getting very fluctuated. You will find the high TVL value and the lower one. That's all you can able to find. Even you can simply purchase right up here. You can see one Bitcoin is going to cost you itna USDT, which you can sell, and you can simply purchase it. So this is absolutely insane. As a developer, sometimes you have to build an exchange which is going to display all of this data very frequently. So you have to know how it's exactly work. What is the infrastructure we utilize it for building this real-time data providing system, which is going to be a part of your job when you will start working as a developer in a DeFi protocol. So it's going to be very important for you to do a proper analysis and try to understand that how exactly is happening. So Binance is absolutely great in terms of data, in terms of asset management, and they have tons of features which you can utilize it. So I'm not telling you to go and do straight away, do your proper research, because I don't like to make any kind of financial advice videos. It's just my point of view. So do your research, always do your research. The main thing I want to highlight here is that try to learn about the infrastructure, that how exactly this particular exchange is happening, what kind of protocol they are following, how they are getting the data. If you guys want me to make a video that how we can simply build a simple interface just like this, which you can see in the Binance, to display the real-time data about the token pair, all of that, which you can do that. It's possible. It's going to take a lot of work. You can do in two ways. You can build your own infrastructure from scratch, or you can simply take the API which you're going to simply feed it, and you can display the data. You can do both the thing. But I would highly encourage you to understand the architecture which we utilize in this exchange. This is really great. So come and do the research, try to do and spend some time and look at that 21%. So all the cryptocurrency is in the positive sense, which you will find. It's absolutely great. So that's what I'm going to suggest you. Try to read about the infrastructure. You will find more information about the layer 1, layer 2, how the MetaMask was thing we have. If you click on the AI, then you will find the details about the project related to the AI and what are things they have. Everything is explained here. You will find the details about the project, that what exactly they are offering, what is the company. So this is a very good strategy to do the proper research. If you are interested in blockchain development and you want to work in a company, then this is going to help you a lot. You can simply go to this company, there you will find the details, that what is the price. You can go to their website, read about it, that what protocol they are working, try to build a similar project and try to give an approach. This is the way which you can able to find companies. A lot of you tell me that I'm not getting companies. How should I find a company to get a job and internship? That's how you have to do it. Come to the exchange, go to the token section, go to the website, read the articles, read the requirements, try to build something around it, give a suggestion, give your feedback. That will help you. That will help you. If you think that you're going to sit back at home, you will build 1 or 2 projects and you will simply update in your LinkedIn profile, in your portfolio, company going to come and take you, that's not going to be happening. Right now, the market is competitive. You will find a lot of developer which is coming from the non-technical background as well. They're also working on it. They're learning the technology and they're just working as a developer. So right now coding is not limited to only CS background. Like if you're not come from a college, if you can learn your own and you can simply build the technology, build the solve the problem, you are welcome in the company. So that's how you take that approach. So I hope you guys have got an idea that how things work. Come back here and do your research. This will help you a lot. You will understand the market, that how things are happening. So that's the only thing I want to talk about it. Hope you guys have got an idea. With that, I'm ending this video. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.